Okay, today we're going to see a topic called Industrial Internet of Things for the Production System, where understanding of the IoT is nothing but Internet and Things. This is called the Internet of Things, where Internet to a kind of thing which is called Internet of Things, which is help of interconnected networks. The objectives of Internet of Things is nothing but connecting things, devices, appliances, machines, etc., which can be used in almost all the places like industry, home, and the educational institutions, organizations. In almost nowadays, the IoT plays a major role in all the places. With the help of the internet, and many smart devices are available to connect or to interconnect the number of devices. Exchange of data. The main purpose of IoT is to exchange of data and sharing the information from one device to the other. The sensing and the processing, the control, activations, and monitoring. Providing the services to easily serve the people from one place and to the other place. IoT enabling technology basic concept is like wireless sensor network. We call it as WSN, and then cloud computing. Wireless sensor network is nothing but we call it as Wi-Fi connections, which connect the internet from the one devices, so we can share the information or the document or the data to other place with the help of many platform like Drive, Cloud, and then storage, media, like etc. And then another one is the cloud computing, where all these are connected to a single server, which is called cloud computing. The number of drives to connect into a single server called the cloud computing, so that easily we can access and enable the data at any place. They're called as big data, embedded systems, internet. IoT components. In IoT, we have a number of components, mainly called the hardware devices, software devices, and the controller. Hardware devices is nothing but the laptop or PC or the sensor devices or the actuators, or it may be a kind of small one or it may be kind of a big one. And then software devices is very important to interconnect the hardware devices with the software with the help of the internet. And the controller to operate or to control these two hardware and the software we using the controller. Hardware devices, as I told, the sensing devices, monitoring devices, detection, control, and actuators. Example, the the sensors, transducers, actuators, final control elements, etc. Software is this is called a set of programs or the procedures which is to use or to run the system. Software are used in IoT devices like storing, processing, analyzing the data, and executing the number of processes with the help of the connected internet to do the things. Database is nothing but the collections of information that is organized in such a way that it can be easily accessed and managed and updated. And then it stores the data which has been generated by the IoT system and will be stored locally or in the cloud. We can retrieve the data whenever we require. That is why this Internet of Things is important in all the industries and also in the service sector. Controller service interacts with the web services and runs in the IoT system. It sends data from devices to applications and also receives commands from the application. This is the main important of the IoT, where it will send the data or say like a code, and they will receive the command from the applications to operate the devices. Web services. Web services act as connecting the link or interface with various IoT components such as hardware, software, database, controller, etc. Web service can be implemented using the REST or WebSocket protocol. We have different types of protocol to use these web services. Analysis services. Analysis services are used for analyzing and processing the IoT data and producing and presenting results in a manner that can be understood easily by the user. It can be either done locally or in the cloud. This analysis software to retrieve the data whenever we require and to analyze whether that data is applicable for the future applications. Applications of these IoT is as a link and the interface between this system and the user, which is required, and also to enable the user to monitor and control various aspects of IoT system. Thank you.